Hello, good evening. Yeah, it's evening. I can see it is 6:20 p.m. But maybe before I close work and go home, we can share something small. And in our journey of learning Kikuyu language, maybe you are asking, what textbook are you going to read from, or where are you going to get more resources? So as usual, the best place to learn your language from is the Bible. Okay, so you'll be using the Bible as our textbook. Okay, yeah, and I know that you are going to be blessed even as you learn how to speak Kikuyu. Yekoyo, yeah, that's how we say in Kikuyu. In Kikuyu is an English word created by the Britons, but for us is Gekoyo, and that's why we are a Gekoyo. That is like the way we say Kenya and Kenyans. So we have Gekoyo, and the people who speak Gekoyo are a Gekoyo. Okay, fine. So you can go to your browser and search for Bible or MyBiblecom. I hope you can see this link. Yeah, I've highlighted this, MyBiblecom. You can just create your account so that you may be able even to save some portions of the Bible that you are reading. Yeah, you can also install the MyBiblecom app. You can install that app in your mobile phone. It will be important for you. And the good thing with the Bible.com is that they also provide audio Bible, so you can listen to a narrator narrating Kikuyu, and this will help you further. And I'm still asking you, if you have any question, you can always send it or comment to my email, or call me, or even comment in the comment section. So when you open MyBiblecom, the default Bible here selected, you can see is KJV. So the first thing we need to do is to change the language. Okay, we want to use Kikuyu. Okay, so when you click on there's this drop down here, you can see the default language is English. So you want to change the language to Kikuyu. You can go there and look for Kikuyu. Okay, you can see the Kikuyu is coming up. Okay, so that is it. And after typing Kikuyu, you can see that we have several Kikuyu Bibles. You can select one that has audio. Okay, okay, so I'll just select the first one that has audio. You can know the one that has audio if you see this microphone symbol somewhere there. So I'll just select it. Okay, you just select that. You can see that our text have changed to Kikuyu, and the best place to start from is Genesis chapter 1. Okay, Genesis chapter 1. Genesis chapter 1. Okay, let me expand this. Okay. Sorry, my browser is kind of becoming quite sticky. Okay, no problem. We can still use it just as it is. Okay, so you can see we have text here. For today, I'm not doing much. I'm just showing you how you can use the MyBiblecom to train yourself further in Kikuyu. So let's try and click on this speaker up here and see whether the narrator is going to read for us. There it is. It gives you this, and it also gives you different speeds: 0.75 speed, 1x speed, 1.5x speed, and 2. Okay, just to the default, that is 1. And let's see.
Rĩrĩ nĩrĩo ibuku rĩa mbere rĩa Musa rĩrĩa rĩtagwo Kĩambĩrĩria. Kĩambĩrĩria mũrango wa mbere. O kĩambĩrĩria rĩ, Ngai atũmire kũgĩe matu-inĩ na gũkũ thĩ, na yothe ndĩarĩ ũrĩa yatariĩ, yarĩ o ũguo ũtheri, o nakuo kũu guothe kũriku gũtarĩ gĩturi kwahumbĩtwo na nduma.
Okay, so that's how you use the narrator, and you can select the speed. If I thought that maybe that if that speed is too high, you can select 0.75. Let's try and have that. Let's try and have that speed of 0.75. Let's see.
Ĩrĩ nĩrĩo ibuku rĩa mbere rĩa Musa rĩrĩa rĩtagwo kĩambĩrĩria.
Not quite clear. Okay, not quite clear, but it will help you because this is an automated thing. Anyway, Genesis in Kikuyu is Kiambĩrĩria. Kiambĩrĩria is the beginning of something. Okay, that's the meaning. It is Kiambĩrĩria. You remember the way we said yesterday? You can see things coming into picture here. You can see MB, which is the letters B. For instance, this is B because we have this I with a special without a dot, or with this special epsilon. So you can see that this is read as Kia B, and B. But if you read B on its own, we say that it is read as Fa. Okay, Fa, like F. So this is KA. This is KA. These are the A in Kikuyu. This is K, and this is A. MB is so MBA. That is B. And then let me just put this aside. And then we have R A. So that is Re. Then we have R I A. That is Rea. So the whole word is Kiambĩrĩria. 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 Okay, fine. This is the title. I will just read it for you. Rũgano rwa kũũmbwo kwa indo ciothe. So this is R O. This is our O. This special U. This is, so you read it as Ro. Okay. Rũgano. That is the story. Okay. Rwa kũũmbwo. Kũũmbwo. That is the story of creation. Creation is kũũmbwo kwa indo ciothe, or for all things. Okay. So this is rũgano rwa kũũmbwo kwa indo ciothe. Okay, you get me right? That is the story of creation of all things. And then I know you know this in English Bible, where it starts by saying, in the beginning God. Okay, so in the beginning, in Kikuyu is O Kiambĩrĩria, in the beginning. O Kiambĩrĩria, in the beginning. Then we go to the other part. Rĩrĩa Ngai ombire thĩ na igũrũ rĩ. Okay, you can see that re is like in Kiswahili we have nyumba na nyumbani. Okay, you get me right? So igũrũ rĩ, that is like nyumbani. Okay, naenda nyumbani. Okay, haya. And then God is Ngai. Okay, ombire, we say that kũũmba is to create. Okay, kũũmba. Okay, then maybe we go to some other things that we can see here. We can see we also have like in Kobo we have double O, so you read it with that that kind of stretchy pronunciation. Kobo. It is not Kobo. There is Kobo. Like in Google, you don't say Google. It is Google. Okay, yeah. So that's something that you need to know. When you see double O, you just say that it's like go, but you stretch it like O. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to to see if there's another word that has the same. Okay, like in obire we have 2 o, so it is obire. Okay, obire. Fine. Yeah. And as I've said is that you can use the narrator to listen to these words. You can maybe split your Bible or have the English Bible, and then I know that can be of much help to you. And as we'll be coming next, we'll be seeing how to create words. I know when you walisoma Kiswahili, you read zile zenye tulikuwa tunasoma, they were going like this: ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Okay, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Okay, to follow with me, see me in the next video. For now, bye bye and God bless you. May you share, subscribe, and also comment so that I can know how we are doing. So God bless you. See you in the next.